In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo an action when editing a form. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you accidentally made a change on a form you didn't mean to, don't worry, undoing that action is quick and easy. When you're editing a form and realize you've made a mistake, your first instinct might be to panic. But let me assure you, the process to correct it is quite straightforward. First, if you're using a Windows computer, simply press Ctrl and Z on your keyboard at the same time. This nifty keyboard shortcut is your friend in many software programs. It instantly undoes your most recent action, whether it's text you accidentally deleted or a field you changed incorrectly. For those of you using a Mac, instead of Ctrl and Z, you'll use CMD and Z. It works the same way as on Windows and will instantly reverse your last action in the form. Keep in mind, this shortcut can often be repeated to undo several recent changes. So, if you need to backtrack a few steps, you can press the keys multiple times until you're satisfied with the form's state. Now, if keyboard shortcuts aren't really your thing, or if you prefer using the mouse, there's another method you can use. Look at the top toolbar of your form editing application. You should see an undo arrow icon. Clicking this arrow will have the same effect as using the keyboard shortcuts. It will undo the most recent change you've made to the form. This can be especially helpful if you're more visual or have trouble remembering various keyboard commands. To recap, whether you're tapping keys or clicking icons, undoing is a simple way to fix those little mistakes you make as you edit. Mistakes are just part of the editing process, so knowing how to efficiently undo them helps maintain your workflow. As a pro tip, always make sure that the form has autosave enabled or that you occasionally save your work. This is crucial because in some applications, excessive undoing cannot be undone, and you wouldn't want to lose significant progress due to a little lapse in attention. Remember also that not every action may be undoable. Depending on the software, some more permanent actions can't be reversed. It's rare, but something to be aware of. To err is human, and to learn the undo command is divine. With these tools at your fingertips, editing forms becomes a much less stressful endeavor. You've got it all right here, simplified. Thanks for joining today, and I hope these tips make your form editing even smoother. Be sure to tune in next time for more helpful tutorials and tricks.